Alright guys, this is the introduction to statistics, and in this video I'm going to take care of questions number 34 and 35. Excuse me, I had a little burp. Now it says 9 cyclists were asked the distance in miles they bike ride last week. Their responses are given below. Complete the group frequency distribution for the data. In this distribution, the frequency of a class is a number of distance in that class. Note, we're using a class width of 6. So, we want to find out how many values fall into the first class of 2 to 7. That's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 values falls in the first class from 2 to 7. And these 4 people are slacking. For the second class, 8 to 13, that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. Also 4 people. And the frequency for the last class, which is 14 to 19, that's going to be 1. Please, before you submit this question or before you move on to the next question, add up your frequencies and make sure it equals to the amount specified or the amount given in this data box. We have 9 cyclists. If I add up my frequency, 4 plus 4 plus 1, that equals to 9. That's my total. And we call that N. And because that is true in this case, we constructed a correct frequency distribution. So make sure you have this question down, the answers down, because I'm about to transition into question 35. Now, number 35. Let's put it on the screen real quick. As a part of a survey, 2,400 people were asked to name their favorite sport to watch. The table below summarizes their answers. This information is also represented as a circle graph. We call that a pie graph or pie chart, I guess a circle graph in this case. Find the central angle measure, which is x degrees, for hockey slice in the circle graph. Do not round. So we're going to use this frequency distribution on the left side, and we're going to transform our frequency into degrees. To transform frequency into degrees is equal to the class frequency divided by the total frequency times 360 degrees. In this case, we're focusing on hockey. So what we're going to do is, I'm going to move my calculator over here as well. We're going to take hockey. Hockey has a frequency of 192. So that's going to be 192 divided by the total frequency, which is 2,400. And we're going to multiply that by 360 degrees. So let's divide first 192 divided by 2,400. After that, we're going to multiply that by 360 degrees. And that is going to equal to 28.8 degrees. And that is the answer for number 35. It looks about right, because hockey is pretty small. Alright guys, that's it for number 34 and 35. Hope that made sense. I'll see you guys soon. Take care.